Hey guys, it's BaileyMan14. Welcome back for more EarthBound. Last part. Oh, come on. We got into Belch's factory, and now we're gonna defeat another slimy little pile. Yeah, I used to call it slimy little pie. She's really stupid of me, but whatever. Not stop crying. Yep. That'll give that. Yeah, just be careful. Whoa. Yep. Did not work on any of us. Yup. Oh, come on. 27. Call her out. Oh, come on. Ness needs to use PSI Rock and Beta. Well, Paula, use PSI Rock and Alpha. Next. Slimy little pile. Okay. It's not gonna work on any of us because we already are crying. It did not work on Jeff. Yay, loser. 187. Oh, come on. It's gonna cover up again. Haha. Oh. Yay. Okay, sorry. Okay. Beep beep. No. Whoa. Okay, we're actually gonna use an insectable spray on them. It's actually in whose inventory? Yep, Jeff's. So now that we actually, okay, PSI freeze beta. We're just gonna keep using on that dude. Insectable spray. Just don't use it on freaking slimy little pile. Whatever. So guts went up down by 3. Who cares about guts? Yep. Yeah, it only works on insects like flies, ants. It wouldn't have any effect on the slimy little pile we had as an enemy. Level 22, offensive 1, IQ 1 by 2, max P by 1. Yep. Okay, this is our room right here. We're gonna go in. Oh, there's a magic butterfly. Yeah, I think almost all the time magic butterflies will appear here, but yeah, we're just gonna go into. Yeah, but I'm gonna show you look, another magic butterfly. Yay! Oh wow, Paula. Yeah, Paula does not even have 100. Okay, I'll get to see you if you fought peace for the last time of the game. Alright, I don't know, but I think you will. Oh, come on. Foppies, they're not very tough. Just try not to defend that stuff. Okay, there we go. Now we've actually got. Yep. Okay, now. Okay, back throw we're gonna use it on. And boom. PSI Fire Alpha. Great. 19. 57. 15. 1, 2. Boom, boom. Oh, wow. And yeah, slimy little pile. Yeah. And left her pizza. Ball no 2030. Welcome, XP level and PP 1 by 5. Yes. Exactly what I needed. I need a fly. What's the password? It doesn't matter to me. I don't trust you. Just say it. Say it now! Someone as quiet as either extremely shy or is extremely dangerous. What a suspicious fellow, Okay. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna rearrange my okay, never mind. National 26, 1 by 2, speed 1 by 1, guts 1 by 1, luck 1 by 1, max P 1 by 2, PP 1 by 2, yay! Okay, we're not gonna get to see these anymore, but yeah, so once you defeat a master Belch, you're not gonna get to see these enemies for the rest of the game. Especially, yeah, not gonna go there anymore, but just fight this dude. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna cut it here, and then I'll resume when I come back and get level these up one more level. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Hey guys, Milliman 14. Okay, I already said it in this part. Impala and PSI Magnet Omega. Now that we actually are 100, over 100, have over 100 HP, it's time to fight this dude. Once we okay, before we do this, I'm just gonna get the bottle rocket to Jeff, because he's the only party member that can use it. Otherwise, it won't work. But so you're in this. I see. There's a prophecy that a boy will destroy Master Gaia. Eek, eek, eek. You make me laugh so hard. If Master Gaia is scared of someone, he would have to be worse than the greatest evil. I'll take you down big time. So get ready for the worst fight of your life. Get ready to feel the pain of the true nausea. Get. Come on, let's go. Yeah, so this is actually not a hard fight. It's like on the first turn, use the jar of fly honey. Otherwise, the party will. The thing Belch will be invincible. I think he will not die for a long time. Okay, I'm just gonna save that guts pill. Just gonna use the auto rocket. Grab the thing. But then, yeah, that's actually the only turn he'll actually attack you on. Yep, 18. So, healing beta on Jeff. PSI freeze beta. Okay, now spy. What's a spy on him? What? Yeah, was solidified. Was able to move. 20, 50, 80. Open to hypnosis. Felt much better than. Okay, since it's open to hypnosis. Actually, I'm not gonna use that now. Just gonna Okay, so now that we actually got it, let's keep attacking him. Well, I think this is the last turn. And it is! Yay. That's now has got gained 4,170 experience points each. That's now 27. Offensive 1, Guts 1, IQ 1, PP 1, PP 1 3. And realize Hypnosis Omega. Which will actually put all the enemies on the screen to sleep. Just now levels 24. Defense level 4, defense level 2, speed 1, guts 1, battalion 1, IQ 1, luck 1, that's P 1, yay. Bart, looks like it was an easy fight. But Master Gaigas has managed to get the main statue in Foresight. The city will soon be in worse condition that you're living in your own puke. Suffer, Spanky. Ga. Burr. That's the end of the fight. So now, I escaped. Zoom. Burr. Doing good. Burr. Okay. Okay, I'll stop. You want down. Doing bar. A stinky PU. Alright, now. We're right here. In the bottom right here. So, appreciate it. Happy zoom. Zoom. So now that we're right here now, we're actually done with this fight. And now, let's go down here. Oh yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna cut it right here, and I'm gonna just go back to Belch's factory. I'll see you and then I'll get the gifts now because I wasn't gonna go before defeating him because they're actually gonna be enemies in there, and they're not gonna be any more enemies. They're not gonna be the Foppies anymore. You can't fight them anymore for the rest of the game. So that's why I decided to go and get that right now. Anyway, now we're gonna go up here. Yep, see, there are no enemies, no puke, like that stuff. Now, I'm gonna say it. We got 3 stuff in our inventory we can have left. So, well, there's vital capsule. That's something we really need. HP sucker. That's something we even need also. Calorie stick. I guess we can just throw that away. I mean, not throw it away, but I heal Jeff. Okay, I'm gonna say something. I'm gonna go and get down the stairs. See, there's not even any puke here now. That's good. Well, that's a good and bad thing that there's gonna be no enemies here. But now, there's an IQ capsule. We're gonna give that to Jeff. We're gonna use that on Jeff right now. IQ on Jeff. What's in here? It's a broken laser gun. Yeah, something we'll need right now. Now, one more thing I'm gonna go upstairs to get is a freaking okay, whatever. Now that we've got this stuff done, time to okay, like, got a bomb inside. Unfortunately, we have too much stuff already. Unless we take out the calorie stick we're gonna use on this. Anyway, now I'm gonna get out of this place. I'm gonna cut it right here, and I'll resume to Saturn Valley when I come back. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm back, and I'm gonna. I took a rest at the hotel. Slept at the hotel. Now, Jeff fixed the broken laser gun. It came. Okay, can I throw away the freaking? Yeah, you can't throw it away. It's like we're gonna call the thing again. Okay, 63 to 75. The offense went up that much. I'm gonna call that Escargot Express because that's the only way you can do it. Okay, I'll cut it right here. Sorry for cutting it at the wrong time. Actually, okay, guys, we're gonna actually remove a couple, 2 or 3 things from Escargot Express because we're not gonna need those stuff anymore for the rest of the game. So we can actually remove the jar of fly honey because that's only what Belch would use. And we're gonna remove the Magnum air gun. What else are we gonna take? That's right. We're gonna take nothing else. That's all I'm gonna take, and nothing else. Okay, bye. Now, I'm gonna try to free up my inventory, because that's all I can do and ask. Okay, we're gonna go in this place now. Here's a present. I hand out a cup of life noodles. It's the Saturn coin. We're just gonna give that to Paula now. Cup of life noodles. So, cup of life noodles we're gonna give to okay, actually they're gonna use the vital capsule and we're gonna use the vital capsule on Paula. Vitality went up by 1 for Paula. Yep. So the next we'll give Paula a huge boost on HP. Yep, and PP it looks like. So now 50 to 72. I'm gonna see you guys in the next part. I'm gonna cut it right here now, okay? There you go. Okay, wait a minute. No? Okay, bye.